This marks your second grade humor. Let's hear for third grade humor, Owen Fisher, Robert Briabe, and Jacob Blumenthal. Hello, we are the Devil Monkeys, and we are here to make you laugh. Knock, knock. Quack, 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 quack. Yes, who's there?
Cows go.
Cows go who?
No, cows go moo.
Cows go boo!
Why did the elephant paint himself different colors?
Why did the elephant paint himself different colors?
Why?
You know why?
So he can hide in the crayon box.
That would never work. What's the difference between elephants and grapes? Oh, there's an life example right there.
I don't know.
You don't know either? No. Grapes are purple! What did Jane say when she said the elephant? Learning through the forest.
I don't know either.
Well, then you don't understand. Here come the grapes! She was colorblind!
Why did the man run around in his bed?
Why did the man run around in his bed?
To catch up on his sleep. How do all the oceans say goodbye?
How do all the oceans say goodbye? That is a very good question.
They wave, and we're waving to you too.